So fat rain, skinny rain, low rain. Sometimes rain even seems like it comes straight up. Hiding under this tree rain. That's the only geese we've been seeing all day, rain. It's coming down hard, man. Sure glad we brought our waterproof jackets. Left them in the truck like idiots. Some
waterproof jackets.
hang on. This rain's really wet today, man. Holy cow. Sun's coming out. Oh, this rain battered dog. What way?
Sit right up in the woods.
Oh yeah, sit up in the woods.
You're gonna lose.
Way up here on this island.
You're gonna lose your stick.
That'll save us
You're gonna lose your stick.
from the wet rain today.